At the moment, artificial intelligence is everywhere. What I really like about AI is the technological advancements that are possible in terms of image recognition, in terms of reading a text, in terms of handling massive amounts of data. And this program is really helping you think about how can we take advantage of these new latest technological developments to help your business advance. The program consists of several parts. In the first part, we would really try to understand the fundamentals of AI. What is AI and what are its limitations? Then we move on to business applications. What and how is AI being used currently by businesses? A key outcome of the program is to help you design an AI solution for a business problem that you have in your organization. We use a mix of exercises, cases, and directed learning. So for everything that we discuss and teach, we want the participant to think about how does it apply in my organization. What UCL brings is different perspectives on AI. We have the technology perspective, we have the business perspective, and the people perspective. And these themes combined with a good doses of passion will help the participant think about how AI may improve their organization.